always say the hardest property to buy is property number 5. First one is the easiest, second is harder, third harder, fourth harder, fifth hardest. Then it
Okay.
starts to get easier
Yeah.
because the type of financing that becomes available when you have a larger portfolio, like blanket loans or total portfolio lending, CORAs if you're in Canada, SOFRs if you're in the United States, these things that you don't get at the teller, which exist at the private banking level, which usually once you have 5 properties, somebody either should suggest you get into the private banking portion of your bank or you ask for it. Things become much more creative. So you're at property number 3, 4, let's call it. So it's still a bit of a struggle. My advice on that, instead of trying to get an unsecured amount of money in large enough sums, would be to start looking for a seller financing option, joint venture, or like a vendor take back. They won't typically be listed, but if you're in the multi-unit space, multi-unit owners are used to this. If you're buying a sixplex for $1 million and it's been listed for 3 months, and you call that seller and you say, "Hey, I see you got a sixplex here for $1 million. Listen, I have an interesting opportunity. Would you be willing to hold back $500,000 as a mortgage in second place, perhaps? Well, I go get a mortgage for $500,000." You shouldn't have a problem getting a 50% loan to value mortgage for a property like that. And then you have the vendor who takes the rest of the finance. You put zero money into it.